Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some Nail Addict gel polishes to share with you guys. How beautiful are these colors? Check these out. We have Paris in Love. Isn't that color pretty? Now these are definitely fall colors, obviously. And we have Cranberry Juice. So pretty. And Sea Swing and Sun. That's like a tongue twister. I was told this one makes a good base for a French manicure. So that's what I'm going to use today is this one. So I'm going to keep that up there. And this one is Now and Always. Pretty. And then this one is Speeding Ticket. And I'm going to go with this one today with that base. We're going to do a French manicure using these two. And I'm going to try out that TikTok method I saw with the jelly stamper to do the French manicure. So I'm going to see if I can do that. And of course I have my two Nail Addict base and top coat. And I have all of my little press-ons here. And I'm using number 6 for my ring finger. Number 3 for my middle, number 1 for my thumb, number 5 for my pointer, and number 8 for my pinky. So that's just the numbers that I picked out. So we can have a French. So let's see if I can do this style. So I'm going to put a base coat, and then we'll put on this Sea Swing and Sun, and then we'll do a French in the Speeding Ticket. So let's see how it comes out. Let's go, guys. So while I'm waiting for the others to cure, I'm going to swatch out these other colors that I got. That gray is so beautiful. Guys, I'm literally obsessed with Nail Addict. I'm addicted to Nail Addict. I love every single one of their gel polishes. They're so beautiful. Look at how it applies. It's just so pretty how it just glides on, and you can really get away with just one coat, and when you get that second coat, it's just so gorgeous. It's just an effortless gel polish to work with. It's one of those polishes that a nail tech would definitely want to use on a daily basis, because some gel polishes are just a hassle, and you have to struggle to get that nice, clean, smooth coat. I haven't had to struggle with any of the Nail Addict's gel polish at all. So if you haven't yet tried them out, please use my code Melissanails with the Z, and I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed, guys. So I'm just going to give these guys a second coat and get them in the lamp, and then we'll talk about the French set that we did. Okay, so just to wrap this set up, I'm going to give them all a nice clear coat of this Top It Off top coat, and then they'll go under the lamp again for 30 seconds. And again, if this French has a little divot where the two colors meet, you can float that top coat to make that nice smooth transition. So use the product to your advantage. It is a nice thick product, and it will work with you. So this trend using the stamper, it's not perfect. As you can see, the line is slightly off on that. I'd like it to be a little corner to corner, and sometimes you do get it underneath as well, so you'd have to be careful and make sure you cure underneath as well, or it will start to peel and you don't want that uncured gel. But yeah, it's not perfect, but it's still really pretty, and you can go as high or as low as you'd like it to be, which is really nice. So for my first time trying it out, it really doesn't look too bad. I really like it. It came out pretty. Some of them are deeper than others, so I'm sure as you get used to using that stamper, you can kind of perfect it. You would know like how far to go in and what angle and stuff like that. So it was fun to try, and if you haven't tried this trend, please try it. It's fun. And I would suggest not using too firm of a stamper, and not your favorite, because you don't want to poke your favorite one with the nails or mess it up at all. You don't want to crack it or split it. So just my suggestion. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. These colors are so pretty. Again, this is on the base, it's Sea Swing and Sun. And on the tips is Speeding Ticket by Nail Addict. The links will be in the description box if you're interested. And don't forget to also use my discount code. Now you can see this hack for the French tip. It's not a perfect hack. And even when you're doing a freehand French, it's not always perfect. So it actually came out really well. It surprised me how well it actually came out. My only concern is with gel polish. You are best to use a thin coat. So doing that press in, sometimes you get more of a thicker raised tip. So you get like that little divot where the two colors meet. So you have to use a clear base, a clear top coat to seal that little divot in. So it's an easy fix, but just be aware of that. And you can do this with regular nail polish as well. So I hope you guys enjoy these colors, and let me show you the other 3 colors. Okay, and these colors are so pretty. This is Paris in Love, Cranberry Juice, and Now and Always. So pretty. I'm trying to catch these colors in the right light. So gorgeous. The links for these colors will be in the description box if you're interested. Take a look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. So for 45% off, use my discount code Melissanails with a Z, no space in between. I'll put the link in the description box for you guys. Thanks for watching. Go check out Nail Addict.